Recently, the entire team and I volunteered to build a shed for Partage Vanier, which is the Vanier Food Bank. And although we are busier than ever right now with everything that's happening in the construction industry, I am proud to say that the entire team stepped up and donated a couple or a few days in some cases, but donated time out of their weekends to help out the Vanier Food Bank.
My name is Sylvie Carrière. I'm the food bank coordinator for Partage Vanier Food Bank. Our mission here is to collect and redistribute food and toiletries to clients that are in need of the Vanier sector.
Our objective is to provide fresh, organic, and nourishing vegetables to the community. And also we want to create a space where people can come and exchange experiences, develop new friendship, and also get back to nature and learn all about gardening. I've met Casey through Natasha at the Union Meditation Center on Beechwood. I asked her if she knew anybody that could assist us with building a garden shed for garden programs. And she put me in contact with Casey.
What made this weekend even more fun was the fact that we could get together as a team, and this was all made possible because of Eric. Before the pandemic, we would get together weekly, and obviously that hasn't been happening anymore. So this was a great weekend for some team building exercises and to give back to the community.
Here we go, Brian. Hey, good morning. My main job is the floor system. It is an 8x12 shed, so it'll be a nice, easy system. Thanks.
I'm Amber, and I am B camera for the project today. Maybe eventually I'll get my hands dirty doing some of the manual work as well. I'm just helping out wherever I can.
Moral support.
Yes, moral support.
I'll be cutting the roof today.
Hi, my name's Chad, and I'm going to be a laborer today. I'm going to be helping out wherever needed.
Today I am in charge of building the walls for the shed. Basic framing, basic openings, and that's about it.
Today I'll be working on the 2 site-made doors for the shed and kind of just overseeing everything to make sure that we can actually get it all done, you know?
I'm on the foundation, which looks like we need some sleepers built.
And then that way I can just go off of this edge. If we were butting into there, I'd be going off of this edge here.
My name is Elliot, and I've been carrying lots of wood today. My name is Sullivan, and I've been cutting a lot of wood today.
We've partnered up with the School Breakfast Club, Cooking for a Cause, Food for Thought, the Ottawa Mission Food Truck, Ottawa Care Volunteers, and also several other organizations that made donations to us, and we really appreciate all the help from everybody. This initiative adds to what the community can do in time of crisis.
Home Hardware in Stittsville provided all the materials like the framing parts for the floor and the walls. That would be all the joists, all the floor sheathing, all the studs, the roof rafters, the roof sheathing, the aluminum for the roof, the shingles, all that was provided by Home Hardware. And then all the rough sawn pine was provided by the Wood Source here in Manotick, and that was very generous of them because they always provided completely for free. And the food that kept our energy up and kept us going was provided by Bobby's Table, a local restaurant in Vanier. And that was a feast of a breakfast and a feast of lunch. I'm especially impressed by Eric's commitment to the community and wanting to give back. So not only do we connect on this need to give back, but we now also connect on the fact that we both have VW buses.
With my Volkswagen bus, I'm able to deliver food boxes to the clients of the Vanier Food Bank. And that always brings smiles to their face.
To donate to Partage Vanier, head to cscvanier.com. You can also show up in person at Partage Vanier or at the Vanier Community Center. And if you want to get involved and volunteer, reach out to Sylvie. You can help with any of the deliveries, organizing food, or even with the garden program if you have a green thumb. All of the links, all of the addresses are below in the video description. Thanks for watching another episode, and we will catch you on the next one.
It's do or die. We got to get done in 20 minutes here. It's not going to happen, but, you know, say la vie.